Hello friends, myself Manjusha. Today I explain to you lesson number 2, computer language and programming technology. First, before starting the computer language, I explain to you first what is meant by language. Language is a media to express your views and idea. And number of people, human beings express their opinion in English, Hindi and Marathi language. But this language computer can't understand. Computer understand only computer language and and there are the different types or categories or classification of computer language. mm, uh, Types of computer language classification: first generation of computer language, second generation of computer language, and third generation of computer language, and fourth generation language. First generation computer language is also known as machine language. Machine language computer can understand. In machine language use the binary code 0 and 1. Computer easily understand. That's the purpose. No need to use the translator. And computer this language is extremely machine dependent. Next, second generation language is called assembly language. Assembly language in using the mnemonical codes in their 16 digit 0 to 9 and A to F. But this assembly language computer can't understand. You need to use the translator program. Assembler is a translator. They are convert the assembly language into machine language. Machine language. Assembler, those program written in assembly language is called source program, and those program written in machine language by assembler is called object. Now third, high level language. High level language can understand by the human easily as compared to the previous two languages. The restriction in the user of machine and assembly language promote the people to develop a language. But a high level language is simply user friendly language because that language using the English words, and this high level language is machine independent. High level languages example basic, Java, C++, etc. Fourth generation language is also known as 4GL and modern language. And fourth generation language are programming language closer to the human language than typically high level programming language. Most of the 4GL language used to access the database. 4GL language user highly user friendly. They are executed very high speed. They are reduce the level of programming skill. They require the minimum effort from user to obtain the end. Is a program and programming technique. First, program means a set of instructions arranged in logical sequence that tell us the computer what to do and how to do. Now, the different programming concept. Modular programming. In modular programming, we divide the large program into small units. It's called modular. Predictable programming. Predictable programming is used to tell the computer exactly what to do. That step by step they are doing. Event driven programming. Event driven programming or event based programming is a kind of programming in which flow a program is determined by event. Now fourth one, object oriented programming. In object oriented programming, a program is a control of program that both the contents and functions. That all this is the programming language. What is programming? The process of writing an instruction in a computer language is called programming. But before writing a computer program, you need to learn the various technical terms. The first one, command or keyword. These are the words that tell the computer what to do. These are also called reverse word. For example, begin, end, if, else, true, false, or, while, then, set, reset, char, integer, etc. Next, second one, data. It is divided into three parts: numbers 0 to 9, alphabet A to Z, special symbol, plus, minus, greater, equal, all these. The third type, data types. A data type in a programming language is a set of program which value the various predefined character, integer, float, over. Now next, variable. Variable. A variable is a named store location which is used to store the various value. For this variable value can be changed throughout a program. For example, a variable is equal to 5. In this variable data, you use it different way: numerical, characters and string. Numerical data only they are number. Characters are numbers and alphabets or symbol also, and string data can be contain number, alphabets or symbol, but string data will value should be enclosed in double quotation marks. Now the different two types of variable data: valid variable data, invalid variable. Those data will be valid in the statement. That data is called valid variable data. Those data is invalidated in the statement or command. It is called invalid variable. Constant data. Constant are the types of data that don't change throughout the program. That types of data is called constant data. Constant data can be numerical, characters or string. Sixth one, comments. Comments allow you to put the remark or notes to yourself inside the program source program. These comments used for user purpose. Now seventh one, operators. An operator is a program elements that is applied to one or more operator is in an expressions or statement. There are the four categories of operator: assignment operator, arithmetical. Assignment operator is used to assign the value to a variable. For example, a is equal to 5. A is a variable of 5 value. Next, second one, arithmetical operator. An arithmetical operator is used to be do basic mathematical operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Relational operator. A relational operator is used to compare the values of two variables. You will want to using the less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equals to. All these relational. A logical operator. A logical operator is mainly used to control the program flow. This is the find the different control statement and or not. Different logical operators is used to combine the simple relational statement into more complex expression. Number 1, and. It corresponds with the logical operator and. These operators result true. If the both of the operator is true, the result will true. If the otherwise, if the any one condition is false, the result should be false. Or it corresponds with the Blownal logical operators, or this operator result true if either of its the operator is true or false when the both the operators are false. First condition, if the first condition is true, second condition is true, result is true. First condition is true, second condition is false, either one condition is true, the result will true. If the third condition, if the first condition is false, second condition is true, then either one last second condition is true, that's the result is true. If the both condition is false, the result is false. It returns the opposite Blownal values of its evaluating operator. Not if the first condition is true, the not condition they are operate the evaluate is false. If the condition is false, the opposite condition not they are evaluates true. For example, not 7 equals to 5. Evaluation not condition is true because it true 7 is not equal by 5. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is an artificial code to understand the program flow. This pseudocode is artificial and informal language that helps the programmer to develop a algorithm. But you will want to, before writing a program, you need to pseudocodes is actually program. It's not capable by writing the computer programming language into the computer. And pseudocodes you will want to writing, you need to follow the some rules of the following before writing a pseudocode. It should be immediate with the begin keyword and end with the end keyword. Second one, use the accept keyword for input and display keyword for output, whatever the numbers you will write. Third one, use the double slash to writing commands. Some example of pseudocodes. Pseudocodes to find the sum of two numbers. Write first BIGIN begin, then second line accept. You use the variable 2 x and y and write down the formula sum is equal to x plus y. The output will get display sum, and lastly end the keyword end.